another video of Shane's Science Adventures. Today we are making a non-Newtonian fluid known as fluffy slime. So you need 2/3 of a cup of Elmer's white glue. So I'm going to dump this in carefully though. Do this carefully. Don't get it on you. Glue is very sticky. Who wants glue on themselves? No one. It's gross. Next we add half a teaspoon of baking soda. I have it upside down. So now we are going to mix them together. So we have a silver spoon. Once we're done doing adding everything, and I knead it then for 5 minutes, then we will show it to you. Don't worry about the spoon if it gets sucked in. So I added blue and yellow. So now we're gonna mix it together. Oh, it's turning green. That looks more like turquoise. We're making turquoise. Oh, I thought it was gonna turn green, but it's turning turquoise. So now we add 2 cups of shaving cream. This is going to be Oh, that is sick. Come on, keep right. I am filling this. Oh, that's so gross. Okay, now we dump this in. I don't know. It pop. Alright. You. Okay, I'm just gonna say this is gross. That's all I'm gonna say. This is gross about the shaving cream. So we are adding 1 tablespoon of contact lens solution. It must have boric acid, and sodium borate. Borate. Now this may take a couple seconds for me to get in there. It's okay to spill some. So now we're gonna mix them together. My hands are a mess because this fell in. And now I will knead it for 5 minutes.
So what are you doing?
So I'm kneading this. And kneading is smushing your hands together in the slime. It's gross, slimy. I hate this, but I'm doing it. So, and you have to do this for 5 minutes.
Okay.
5. So you have to have 5 minutes of grossness. Ew. Another half of a tablespoon of your contact lens, and then if that's not enough, then don't worry, because you add as much more as you need, not as much more as you want, as you need. So add a little solution at a time until you're done mixing. This is going crazy. Oh, it's sticking. It's sticking together. It's coming off my hands. We have made our very own fluffy swan. Make sure to not eat it and put these ingredients in your mouth.
Go.
It can make you sick if you put it in your mouth. Do any of you want to be sick? No. We almost have it, guys. I can't believe we have made our very own swan. Soon. So if it's too sticky, then add a teeny weensy bit more of your contact. Then we added a little bit more. If it's still really sticky, then add a little bit more. So now I'm going to dump this out and show you guys what I've made. No, not that. Let's move this out of the way. By the way, don't get this on your furniture. Make sure and don't eat it. Make sure to have some fun creating your own big mess. And also, remember, make sure to have a parent nearby. Thanks for watching another video of James's Science Adventures.